Hello everyone, I'm Alita. I'm going to show you our concrete mixer pump. Follow me please. This is our certified meter concrete mixer pump with Sinotrack chassis. For this concrete mixer pump, it integrates mixing, pumping, no need concrete batching plant and the concrete mixer truck can get the fresh concrete. Here you can see that it's a mixer. The mixer can be GS 500 and GS 750. This is the hopper. The hopper is all hydraulic controlled hopper. It's easy to place the materials. This is a very good construction equipment for you.